Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be a very special video for you guys. And today's video, I am trying to show you how you can enable the data layer in Shopify store. Okay, let's jump to the Shopify backend. This is my Shopify demo store. It's the home section. Previously, we are enabling the data layer, purchase data layer from this additional script by this from this setting section, then check out from this additional script for this from this order status. In the order status page, from this additional script we are enabling the data layer, purchase data layer from here. But see, look at the notification. Pixels are now available and recommend over additional script for conversion tracking. Look at the notice and read it carefully, please. Pixels are now available. And recommended over additional script conversion tracking. Get more accurate, secure, and performance conversion tracking through our app or custom pixel. Found in customer pixel in settings. Nowadays, Shopify suggests us to set up the conversion tracking, set up the conversion event from the custom pixel, from the custom pixel from in customer events in settings. Okay, let's go to the customer events. Previously, we are enabling the data layer. We are enabling the data layer and set up the conversion tracking by this additional script section. Nowadays, and we are enabling the data layer from the theme section. In the online store, in the theme section, we are adding some snippet, some code, some extra JavaScript variable. Then we are enabling the data layer. And one more thing we can do, and there is a data layer app for Shopify. It's called Elevate data layer. Okay, if I search over Elevate data layer in Google, then I find a option data layer in Google Tag Manager for Shopify. Then you can see here in the option for the pricing. If I go to the pricing, you can see here $150 per month and $350 per month and $750 per month. But it's not worth it because nowadays Shopify recently give us the opportunity to create the data layer from the custom event, from the custom pixel from here. Okay, from the custom events. Okay, nowadays we can enable the data layer from the custom events for all of those our event, like page view content, add to cart, then initiate checkout, then something like add shipping info, add payment info, purchase, begin checkouts, like that. Okay, and let me dive to the one more thing. As an example, this is a basic plan of Shopify. Then if I go to the checkout page, from the cart page, now see, look at this. This is the checkout page. Previously, Shopify did not give us the opportunity to track checkout page event, something like begin checkout, add contact info, add shipping info, add payment info, something like that. But it did not applicable. It was not applicable for the Shopify basic plan. In the Shopify basic plan, we are not we can't track the begin checkout and add shipping info, add payment info, add contact info event. Okay, for the Shopify update. Now Shopify give us the opportunity to create the all of those event by this custom event. Now if we set up the event from this custom event, or also if we create the data layer from the custom event, then we can track all of this event from the checkout page, something like begin checkout, add payment info, add shipping info, add contact info. Okay, also as well as we can set up the purchase event, so purchase event. Okay, and this data layer is not necessary for nowadays. Just I create a data layer for you guys. If I go to this custom event, then you can see a custom event, a customer event is at custom pixel is connected. And if I open it, then you can see this is a huge code I write here for you. It's a 100 on 1000 plus almost 2000 line code. Okay, then if I go to another documentation from here, then you can if I write here Shopify web pixel API, then if I go to this developer document from here, it's a developer document web pixel API. Okay, then if I go to the standard events, then you can see here all of those event. Cart view, it's called view cart. Checkout address info, it's called address info. Checkout complete, it's mean purchase. Checkout contact info submitted, it's mean add contact info. Checkout shipping info, it's mean shipping info. And it's the checkout started mean begin checkout. Collection view mean view item list. Page view mean page view. Payment info mean payment info submitted. Product added to the cart, it's mean add to cart. Remove from cart, it's mean remove from cart. And product view, it's from the view item, and it's for the SARS event. Okay, all of those event I attach with this data layer code that just I show you in the custom event from the custom event in the custom pixel. Okay, all of those event I added to you. And if I go to the cart view, then you can see here we have to start the code from here. Also we can go to the page view. It's a page view. If I go to the page view, then you can see here we have to start the code from here. Then if I go to this custom event, then you can see here, just I write analytics.subscribe page view event. We have to start this page view event with this code. Then Shopify will receive a event that's called page viewed. You can see here the analytics.subscribe page view event, and then have to log the data in the console. That's why I write the console.log custom event. Okay, then I called it. Then Shopify from the backend, they will fire a page view event. Then I write this code according to my need. Okay, that's the standard pattern. Then you can see I push a data layer, window data layer dot push event dot page view and client ID, etc. Page location, event time and event ID, and the user agent and the page title, all of those necessary parameter. And I did it for all of those event. If I go to the view item, then you can see in the it's a something different, because view item with this view item we have to send the product information. That's why it's not similar with the page view. Also I will add this data layer document file in this description box. Please check it. Okay, then if I cut it, okay, then you can see there from this all of those event I add for you. And one more thing I add for Google Analytics 4, there is some different value parameter. As example, if I go to the GA4 recommended event, GA4 recommended event, then you can see here, if I open a event, as example, if I open the add to cart event, then you can see with this add to cart event, we have to send 3 parameter: currency, value, and item. Item should be array. If I click over the item array, in this item array we have to send the item ID, item name, affiliation, coupon, item list, etc. like this. But for the Facebook required metapixel event, for this Facebook, if I go to this event, as example, this is for this purchase event, we have to send the necessary parameter is a content ID and the contents, and this pattern is a different from Google Analytics 4. You can see this is the event setup, and the item should be item ID, etc. Pattern should be like this. But in here the content pattern like this, ID, quantity. Okay, and I make this data layer like this. You can see the different platform data in the different way. Okay, then let's jump to the test its data layer is working or not. Okay, this is my store. And first of all, I will give you this data layer document in the description. Then you have to go to these settings, then just go to the custom event. and then go to the custom event, then create a add custom pixel, name it, call a J4 data layer or Google Tag Manager data layer, something like that. Okay, as example, I write the GTM data layer. Okay, then create this, then remove this thing from here, then paste this whole code that I give you in the description, then place the code here, then click over this connect. Okay, now first of all, as example, let's go to the back, leave page. Okay, then if I go to my main code from this, then if I place this code as an example, but you have to place the whole code here. I will give you the code link in the description, sorry, in the custom events. From the custom event, from the GTM data layer, just as example, remove all of those things, then replace the code here. Then you have to, there is a 2 error for there is a no closing tag, that's why maybe if I close it, sorry, now it's working. Okay, then have to click over the save, then after click over the save, then please just click over the connect, then it will be connected to your store. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, then let's already I connect it. One more thing you have to do in the settings section, from this custom event, from the custom event, in this, if I open the main data layer, then you can see here you have to place your GTM code. Okay, must you have to create the GTM code for here, from here. Okay, then you have to replace some code in here, maybe 3 or 4 times you have to replace it. I will give the instruction in the data layer documentation page. Okay, then go to the back section. I want to remove it because it's not our main data layer. Remove it, then go to the Shopify store. But one more thing, if I go to the settings section in the custom event, you can see if I open the data layer, then it's actually it's the data layer working from the sandbox. Sandbox means it's a secure place from the Shopify. Then that's why Google Tag Manager debug view it did not connected with the Shopify store, but in the backend the data layer code must be working. Okay, let's see what happened. If I go to this store, as example, this is my store. Just I connected the data layer with this store. Okay, now I'm in the website homepage. Then if I go to the inspect section, from the inspect section, if I go to the console, then if I write here the data layer, I did not see anything. In the top section from the console, in the top section, I did not see anything when I write the data layer, because this data layer is connected with the sandbox. It's a secure place from the Shopify store. That's why debugging view will not connected with this Google Tag Manager. That's why in the top section I did not see the data layer parameter here. Okay, but if I go to here, then if I choose this option, web pixel sandbox custom legs, if I choose it, then if I write the data layer here, then you can see a page view event is coming. See, look at here, page view event is coming. With this page view, you can see the event ID and the event time in the second, and the page location, page path, all of those parameters that I sent, that is coming here. Okay, then if I go to a product page from here, okay, then if I write the data layer, okay, have to choose the secure custom sandbox data layer. Sorry, it's not corrected pattern, maybe data layer. It's not working. Why? Let's see, maybe it's not, sorry, this option I choose the wrong option. Okay, then click over the data layer, then see, now again a page view event is coming, also a view item event is coming, because if a page view means a page view event will be fired in every page. That's a page view event coming, and the view item event is coming, and you can see here all of those necessary parameter, event name and the event ID, event time. You can see here a section Facebook. In this Facebook section, you can see in the Facebook ID for the content ID and the content name, and here you can see the contents that I show you in the previous 2 or 5 minutes ago for the Facebook documentation. From the Facebook, you can see contents, and look at here, you can see you can see here an array with the ID, item price, and the quantity section. Okay, and also you can see the Snapchat data, TikTok data, and the Pinterest data. Okay, and also you can see another option, Google Ads data, Google Ads remarketing data. You can use it for your Google Ads remarketing. Okay, you can see here in the remarketing tag, you can see the ID and the Google business vertical retail. Okay, you have to send this data to the Google Ads for the remarketing, advanced remarketing. Okay, and one more thing I want to test, I want to test the SARS event as well. As if I, that's why I have to, I just copy the product title, then let's see. Okay, hopefully now will be a SARS event will be fired. Then right over the data layer, then see, then you can see page view is not coming. Okay, one more thing I can do, then let's paste it here, then click over here, then again I want to go to the LX section and the data layer. Maybe now you can see a view item is coming, but SARS is not fired. Now I write about the SARS for if I go to the again this LX section, page view, maybe I did not add the SARS event data in the data layer. I will add it in here. I will add it in the documentation, no worry. But SARS event is not important for us. If I go to all of this collection, you can see at all of the collection. Now hopefully fired a view item list event here. Okay, in the next section, if I write the data layer, in the data layer you can see here a view item list event is coming, and you can see here a lot of product data. Actually there has been maybe 14 or 15 data. That's why you can see here in this e-commerce section, in the item array, you can see 16 product. Okay, that means there has a 60 product. If I go here in the item section, you can see a lot of product array, because there you can see here a lot of product. That's why it's coming in as a view item list. Okay, now we test view item and the view item list, and let's go to the added to cart. Let's test the add to cart. Then if I come here and if I choose the quantity to as example, then if I click over that to cart, then again if I go to the next section from here, sandbox layer, then data layer, then you can see add to cart event. View item is fired because just we view the product, and add to cart also fired. If I go to that to cart, then you can see here a item array, on item array, and all of those event and value and the event time and all of those things is coming. If I go to the Facebook section, then in contents, then you can see the quantity too, because just we choose the quantity too, and for all of those Snapchat, TikTok, and Pinterest data is also coming here. Okay, then if I go to this view cart section, also we have to choose the view cart. Okay, then if I click over the inspect, then console, then the next section from the sandbox data layer, sorry I did not write the data layer, then you can see a view cart event. No, you can see all of this data is coming here. Then if I remove a product from here as example, minimize a product, I hope now a remove from cart event will be fired. Sorry, if I write the data layer here, yes, see, remove from cart event is now fired from here, because I remove a product from here. Okay, then again go to the checkout, then hopefully now a checkout event will be fired. Checkout data layer, see, begin checkout event is coming, and with this all of those necessary event parameter. Now if I place my information and the shipping info, something like that, okay, okay, then let's choose my info test card information, and 667, and okay, I hopefully all of those parameter is coming, shipping info and address info, something like. Okay, then I can see 6 event here. You can see here add contact info, add address info, add shipping. Previously when we just come to this page, we can see a begin checkout event fired. See, now look at here, you can see add contact info, add shipping info, add address info and contact info. Three necessary event and 3 advanced event is coming in this data layer. Previously we can't do it for the in the Shopify. Nowadays we can do it. Now let's purchase this product as example. Now I click over the pay now section. Maybe I make a mistake here, that's why it's not working. Okay, let's see what's the error. I choose everything. Okay, now let's see what happened in the purchase event. Okay, maybe it's make it the side by. Okay, look at here. If I go to the console section from the sandbox, if I go to the sandbox section, look at here in the data layer, then see a purchase event is coming, and if I click over this purchase, look at here purchase event, then you can see here all of those parameter, event ID for the Facebook. You can see the data for the Facebook, you can see the contents. I purchased 2 product, and you can see all of those necessary parameter for the event ID in the e-commerce section, in the value, currency, and the coupon is not applicable for it, that's why it's undefined, and the shipping, tax, transaction ID, all of those things is coming here. Okay, you can see here. And one more important thing here, you can see here an option user data. Maybe it's under e-commerce. Okay, see user data. In this user data, you can see here the city, country, email address, first name, last name. Is the phone number is not here in the it's null. It's state, zip code. This parameter, this data will help you to increase your event mesh quality in the Facebook. Also it will help you to increase your TikTok event mesh quality, Snapchat event mesh quality, Pinterest event mesh quality. Also you can use this data to Google Ads for enhanced conversion tracking. Hopefully you will understand. I will drop the document in the video description. If you need any further help, just let me know. I will help you. Okay, have a good day. Thanks for watching this video.